has come to help us. Cake soup. It's 1 right now. It's usually 1 right now. Web check-in closes at 1:10. Boarding starts at 1:25. मैं आराम से पहुंच रही थी, but then reached T2. Domestic flight is from T1. और मेरा वेब चेक-इन भी नहीं हो रहा है. I've asked them to do it. वो कर रहा है, तब तक मैं पहुंच रही हूँ और पैनिक हो रही हूँ. Made it 10 minutes before the boarding. डिजी यात्रा कर दिया. Let's hope today is the first time I'm trying डिजी यात्रा. Let's see कितना काम आता है. लाइन तो खतरनाक है. Oh my god. डिजी यात्रा saved me, and who saved me for that is Pranav. I'm gonna thank him first of all. पहले तो they were not accepting my bag. They were like baggage close हो चुका है 1 घंटे पहले, आप extremely late हो, but just because you don't miss your flight, we are letting you in. Also your bag is like not a big bag, so it's fine. But in case they give me this little sticker, if my bag doesn't get into this, oh my god, the check-in, I forgot about the check-in. If my bag doesn't get in this flight, it's gonna come in the next flight. Okay, I've made it. But I look drastic right now. This is. I didn't take a picture. I didn't take my bag check. I didn't take the tray check. I didn't take anything. Oh god. Okay, but it's fine. It's fine. I at least didn't miss my flight. Whew, breathe. I need water. I need to meet my friends first. Okay, so लोगों की हमारे बाद है ना flight.
वो लोग का डिले हो गया.
Imagine my bag comes in that flight with them.
क्या कर रही है?
Vlog.
वो किसी बड़बड़ करते जा रही है.
अभी पूरी देर तेरे पास से कैमरा देगी. कुछ भी करेगा ना सोच समझ के करना. सब देख ली.
uploading, no bro.
I am uploading
Why?
everything.
Bro.
Except पर नहीं, genuinely tell me, have you not booked car?
No. बुक किया था पर ये जस्ट कॉल राइट नाउ. ये थोड़ा अवेलेबल.
यार दोगा. Everything happens for a reason, and everything just finally falls into place because my luggage is in the same flight. I just confirmed. I confirmed it twice from the staff. But now I have a different seat. They have a different seat. They are both together. I am absolutely doing it. It's fine actually. Guess what? I got window seat. What is going on today? I think it's my lucky day. गोवा में पहुंच गए हैं. ये गाड़ी है. ये वीडियो बनाने के लिए कहा गया है. यहाँ टायर और गाड़ी. अब क्या मैं उधर चढ़ के जाऊँ?
उठा ली तुमने. वेदांत की है. मैं तेरी ड्रिंक लेके घूम रहा हूँ. ये तेरी ड्रिंक है. श्योर.
Everything is alcohol. Just drink that.
अब यूज़ वॉशरूम
या सभी ली.
और कहीं और है. ये तिकी नहीं है. ये तिकी
तुकु ताका तुकु तू ता.
तमाची तो है. पढ़ने
अपन इधर ही खा ले. जम के आराम से.
Dinner's done. Birthday girl has been fed well. Yes. But not drunk enough. So we're gonna go back.
Please shoot this video after a while.
That was so random.
You should do that. This is me after 1 drink. This is me after 2 drinks.
Okay.
कन्वर्टेबल विद ड्राइवर बोला था. थार कन्वर्टेबल विद ड्राइवर भेजा.
हाँ तो वो तो सर आप जो बोलेंगे वही भेजेंगे ना सर. उसमें कुछ
पेमेंट का
90% पेमेंट कर दिया. आप पूछे ना.
My camera has techno for Pranav, so he won't force us for a techno party. This is techno. Ditchik.
तामड़ी चामड़ी लगाए भाई. टेक्नो बोलेंगे तो उसको. तेरे को बोलेंगे भाई कौन से टेक्नो सुनते.
अरे यार. Made ourselves shots of black coffee. You want some? You can come. Until you're not conscious, you can come. You want some too? But I just look clueless in the whole video. No, we're just making black coffee shots so that we can stay up all night. See, tell me when to stop. Yeah, that's it. Okay, cheers.
You dropped. She dropped half of it. So I don't think
It's giving Mata Hari in Goa.
स्टॉप पीछे लेना जूम करो उस पर
बोल सकते हैं कल शाम को जब पहुँचे उसके बाद तो तुमको दिखाया ही है थोड़ा बहुत ही दिखा पाया बिकॉज थिंग्स वर आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल एंड देन वी हैड टू एक्चुअली टेक केयर ऑफ एवरीवन क्योंकि 8 में से 6 लोग नॉकआउट थे. आई स्लीप एट 5 एंड देन आई वोक अप एट व्हाई इज माय स्किन नॉट स्किनिंग आई थिंक दैट्स स्लीप. I woke up at 7:15 because I had to shoot like a prank deal and I haven't met anyone since morning except my house like once I'm in my room. Oh wow, look. Oh, the drivers vanished after the argument yesterday. So just like Bombay days, we are ordering food, which is so stupid to me because we are in Goa. But like, what to do? मेरा जापानीज दोस्त जापान से डोरा केक लेके आया. Have you ever had a डोरा केक? I am gonna have a डोरा केक. This is the bag. The bag is also cute. चिंचान! ये क्या है? पता नहीं तो क्या है ये?
खाता नहीं है वो
चोको चिप. ये चोको चिप. This is चोको चिप. खोल के 3-4 निकाले तूने उसमें से.
खाली मैंने सॉरी.
ये कौन सा फ्लेवर है?
यार
किटकैट बहुत फ्लेवर के मिलते हैं ना वहाँ पे.
यस
This is matcha pocky. Perks of having friends who travel the world. Chewing gums. Oh, melon flavor. Oh, Medimax की चक्की होती है ना साबुन वाली. What if I not eat it like this and like this is so good. लग रहा है मैं matcha खा रही हूँ. Thank you प्रणव. तू भी matcha पी रहा है? देखा? Drink देखा? तू भी matcha पी रहा है? तूने pants भी matcha पहनी है. What a roller coaster of an afternoon, man. Like the food was here, the drivers weren't here, so we had to like order in. But then I had to get on a work call on a Saturday in Goa. But it's fine, not complaining. I don't like coffee in general, but I only like black coffee when I need to stay up, and I'm feeling like my energy is draining. So I'll just quickly have this. I'll take you out with us after this. Shut up. I've upgraded from the passenger seat to the driving seat. But about how will I take my gaadi from here? Like this, I'm afraid to take a U-turn and then, sorry, a reverse. I don't know. Like, hope they just leave before I do. Also, I'm very short, so like my seat is completely aage compared to the passenger seat. It's kind of weird. Also, I'm like sitting like a duck. It's the horn. हाँ खाली पानी दो पार्सल कर दो. Ati and I have been lost. We are looking for our friends. They are asking us for the reservation. And like, no, our friends are already there. They're like, who friends? Give us the name. Nobody's answering the call. And I'm like, अरे हमारे दोस्त हैं. हम लोग भैया जाने दो. Meanwhile, wait. Let us break our outfit for you all. Okay, wait. Shruti, go first. Where's the top from?
Okay, so my top is Suka.
Louder, they can't hear you because of the music.
My top is Suka, and I have borrowed these squats from my friend Sanya.
Your bag. Give us your bag. Your chapel.
My bag is Zara.
My top is Savannah. My shorts are Yes. My bag is Long Shop. My tacky shoes are my shoes are H&M. What's the name of this place? We've come to the second house. संतूर बोलते हैं. There's something with G&T and I trust the guy. I'm glad I did so. They've served their traditional some dish that we have to have before we start the food and before they start serving the food. So I'm just gonna show it to you and then we'll eat it. I love raw tomatoes as well. My food is coming, which is something that nobody can have on this table. It's chicken. क्या है इसमें? My food. Jasmine rice. दूसरी गाड़ी का टायर खराब हो गया, हम सब इधर खड़े हुए हैं. उसकी गाड़ी का टायर बनेगा तो फिर रहता है, तभी हम आगे बढ़ सकते हैं. मुझे कल हेयर वॉश करना पड़ेगा. मैं हेयर गॉन रियली बैड ऐसा पूरे फ्रिजी हो गए. इतना ह्यूमिडिटी है यहाँ पे. अंदर स्ट्रेटन देना. आई वोंट कॉल देम.
लुटने तो नहीं है ना.
क्या बोलना है?
अबे इतना आँख में क्यों डाल रही
अभी
है?
तो देखो दिखा भी नहीं दे. कब से मेरे मुंह पे
लग रहा था.
तो
पता कि इतनी बारिश हो रही है, आंधी तूफान में हमारी
We're finally on our way to the party place. You're not coming here, shut up. But it's 1 a.m. and we had to leave. We are going in some different car. Yeah, see, that's the proof. We're going in some different car altogether. Some dude has come to help us, and he's driving pretty rash. Yeah, let's just stay in for a few hours, and then when they club hop, we'll just come back and then knock out. Not sleep, knock out. Me and Sanya.
I was born in a system that doesn't give a fuck about you or me, nor the lie.
गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस. जब जागो तब सवेरा. और जो एक्चुअली बाहर रुके थे पूरी रात, दे केम बैक एट 8 in the morning. वी केम बैक, नो वेट आई टेल यू, द ग्रुप सेग्रीगेटेड इन 3 ways. सबसे पहले 2 लड़कियां निकली. They didn't even go for any clubbing. They left at 12 after dinner actually, right after dinner. टायर पंचर होने के बाद दूसरी कार उनको लेके गई. और उसके बाद मैं और सानिया फर्स्ट क्लब से निकल के 4 बजे वापस आए. एंड द लास्ट ग्रुप दूसरे क्लब में जाके वहाँ से भाई 8 बजे आए हैं सुबह को. देव टेक्सटेड नाउ इन द ग्रुप कि भाई हम लोग अभी आए हैं, कोई अगर उठता है हमसे पहले तो आवाज़ नीचे करना. आई एम वेल रेस्टेड. आई कैन एंजॉय टुडेज day because tomorrow we are checking out. And Pranav and I are learning how to use an oven by melting a cake in it. लाइट नहीं चल रही है अंदर, कुछ आवाज भी नहीं आ रही है. तूने कुछ भी नहीं किया है अब तक. पागल बटन दबाया है. बटन
चालू है. लाइट नहीं आ रही इधर.
नहीं आ रही है. लाइट दिख रही है.
दिख क्यों नहीं रही तेरे को? पागल हो गया. कैमरा हटाएगी तो दिखेगा ना तेरे को.
अरे नहीं है भाई इतनी तो कुछ आवाज भी तो नहीं है. अंदर लाइट जलती है इसके अंदर. Meanwhile, if you guys could teach us in the comments how to use an oven, that'd be great. इसमें कुकिंग होती है. रुक इसमें भी तो डाल सकते हैं बराबर. केक डाल पहले. केक खत्म. ये क्या गुज्जू लोग ना फिर उस सेम थाली का खाना भी नहीं खाएंगे अगर उसमें नॉनवेज गर्म हो गया तो. हाँ धीरे धीरे. मेरे को लगता कोई बटन होगा. हाँ ये देख ये है इसका बटन. ये देख ये चालू है. अभी तो ये करना है हमको.
दोनों करना है साथ में.
अभी उसमें करना है क्यों है लेकिन इसमें नहीं कर रहा है. ये क्या कर रहा है?
मिनट का हुआ है. नहीं सेकंड का 2 30 का.
लाइट जली देख. अभी हुआ है चालू. पर 30 सेकंड में तो ये पूरा पानी हो जाएगा.
कुछ नहीं हुआ.
स्टॉप. केक सूप.
तो सुबह से लेकर अब भी नीचे आएंगे.
I sat to eat and I just saw there's muesli on the table and there's cookies as well. The cake is being warmed. Now I have an idea. Show the cake. I have an idea. Do you trust me? Melted cake. Now the muesli. Now the cooking. What is it? It looks so good. So damn good. Wow. I cooked something. Shit, this is so good. I love cucumber. It's summer, no? Like it's summer's gone. And there's cucumber in my drink. And I'm hungry. Like let's have it together. Cheers. Hello? Sip, sip. We came back from that beautiful sundowner place where we didn't actually go for sundowner, but it was amazing. The vibes were good. It was empty because of the rains, and I took so many pictures. Tell me in the comments, how do you like them? Now we're back early. Everyone's energy was drained actually. Like everyone just wanted to go home, sleep because kal sabki flight early morning, yeah. Packing my bag. Sitting here doing this. I'm almost done. I'm gonna pass out after this. I think it's 1:30 something. It's 7 in the morning. Our flight's at 10, so we should be leaving also. Not sunny actually, it's just not raining. So we've asked the driver to open up the car. The bags are ready. I didn't do breakfast. It's too early for me, and I hope I get to enjoy this drive finally. Wait, let me show you the car. अरे खोला नहीं सद्दाम भाई गाड़ी?
मैंने उसको वो मना कर दिया बताने के लिए, मुझे पता नहीं था।
क्यों मना कर दिया?
आप उससे बात करो।
पिछले 4 महीना इनफैक्ट। चेक इन हो गया, फ्रेश हो गए थोड़ा। Just heading towards our gate, no actually lounge. Our flight's 30 minutes delay. अभी खाना खाते खाते फोन आया भाई कि फ्लाइट डिले से अर्ली हो गई क्योंकि हम लेट थे, तो अभी आप आओ जल्दी। तो मैंने अभी ऑरेंज अपनी बैग में डाल दिया। मैं Bye.